industry oversaturated with generic ingredient messaging, Nature's Recipe, the natural food brand, sought a fresh perspective on the market. So we asked the question, how can we know our pets are living happy, healthy lives? The answer? By seeing life through their eyes. To give pet owners the chance to experience life from their pet's point of view, we found a new cloud-based camera technology. Then, we modified it and put our collar cameras into the hands of some of the most influential pets and pet parents in the country to see what they could capture. And to help set the stage for the content they captured, we created a custom software that makes it all simple, scrubbing and storing the camera's images into an online keepsake that can be shared to allow users to follow along in their adventures. The next big step was to get the collar cameras and scrapbook into the hands of more people and pets through a national campaign tied to a grand prize sweepstakes. Days into the launch, the site exploded with visitors and received national attention, including coverage in DigiDay, Adweek, PSFK.com, and the New York Times. Today, the Nature's Recipe for Moments campaign grows in numbers, capturing and sharing more and more of life's little moments from our pets' perspectives, and reminding loving pet parents that the best food isn't just about nutrition, it's about nourishing lifelong relationships.